10 life lessons you must learn after 60. After 60, life doesn't forgive illusions. It strips away what's false and rewards only clarity, wisdom, and discipline. Ignore these lessons, and the years you have left may slip by without meaning. Embrace them, and every moment becomes richer, sharper, more alive. Here are 10 life lessons you must learn after 60. 1. Protect your health. Without strength, even freedom feels heavy. Walk, stretch, eat, simply. Your body is the foundation of your freedom. 2. Guard your time. Time is the rarest currency you'll ever own. Don't spend it on what doesn't matter, because once it's gone, no wealth can buy it back. 3. Choose peace over pride. Arguments steal years. Silence protects decades. Not every battle deserves your energy. 4. Cut out toxic people. At this stage, energy is sacred. Chaos is too expensive to keep around. 5. Live with purpose, not habit. Routine without meaning is slow death. Even simple acts, reading, walking, cooking, become powerful when done with intention. 6. Be grateful for the present. Regret belongs to the past, anxiety to the future, but peace lives only here, in the moment you are breathing now. 7. Simplify your life. The less you carry possessions, grudges, obligations, the lighter the journey feels. 8. Invest in wisdom. Books, reflection, silence, conversations with those who've lived fully. These bring more wealth than possessions ever will. 9. Prepare your legacy. What you leave behind, your words, your love, your example, will matter more than anything you manage to keep. 10. Accept mortality. Knowing your time is limited doesn't make life smaller. It makes every moment infinite in value. And here's the most important part. After 60, life isn't about adding years. It's about adding depth, clarity, and peace. Because the measure of your life will never be its length, but the wisdom you lived and the love you leave behind. Which of these 10 lessons speaks to you the most? Drop your number in the comments and save this as a reminder that every year can still be your best year.